Nicer fish. Definitely catching like a, it's like this kind of like itchy streamer thing I got on here. Catching a smaller class of fish than I caught. Like those are really high. I'm not really sure why that is, but catching fish. So that's, in my book, that's the important part. There we go. Got some. We'll try. That is cool. It makes me happy. Fish for sure. Still pretty tough out here. Just, I don't like it, these flows. It's fishable, obviously, like I'm catching fish. Just hooking a couple, I just, you know what? It's really just not so fun for me. Sometimes I think that the number of fish you can catch here is directly proportional to the severity of the case of poison oak you're willing to risk getting. Since I'm like trudging through it on both sides. It's all poison oak. Awesome. Awesome. Super awesome. Oh, it's all poison oak. Yep. Oh boy. Oh, there it is. Get away from me. I hate you so much. Oh, that was a big fish came up. Oh, I hope you can see that. That was a big fish came up and took a look. I turned away. If you're wanting to go someplace that isn't super well trodden, bring a big knife and your thickest skin, because ow, 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 ow. Well, I've been here like fishing 10 minutes or so. Already one in the net. That's a good sign. The net is falling apart. That is not a good sign. Ooh! Fish totally just turned on it. Well, I should probably set when that happens, but I was a little late seeing it. Oh, flash again. It's that big old heavy Higgins SOS in funky colors. Honestly, didn't really have a lot of confidence in this fly, but I guess that doesn't always matter. Let's show it to you real quick. There you go. Just Higgins with a brown bead, yellow dubbing. Little flash, enough to fool that guy. There's a fish over there, I know it. Knew it. Oh. Just a wee guy. Stuck in the tree. Holy mess. Tough mess. Come here. Stop. 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 Alright, so I've literally caught fish on different flies, or I haven't caught a fish on the same fly. I haven't caught two fish on the same fly. I don't know what the hell I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say, right? Everything is working. Okay, and then flick. Yep, like that. Lift. There you go. Good. Perfect. Lift, lift higher. Make it straight. Yep, make it straight. Keep it tight. Lift. There you go. It's on something. Are you on the ground? So you got to keep it higher. Yeah. Keep it tight. No slack. Stick it out that way. Okay, lift, lift, lift. Good. There you go. Oh, Becky, do you see that?
Yeah.
Do you see that was a fish?
That was cool.
That was a fish. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah, lift. Get ready to set. He comes back. Lift, keep it tight. That's how you do it. Okay, got it? Your turn next. You get the next one. I'll hold him.
Sure.
Okay, so get your hands really wet because they have a slime layer. You don't want to take it off. And then you're just going to kind of cradle them like that, okay?
So, just kind of like...
He's gonna be ready. He's gonna squirm.
That's weird. That's
It's okay.
really weird.
That's all right. You're not gonna hurt him as long as you just don't squeeze.
Yeah. Oh, that's wow.
Yeah.
That's whoa.
So come here. So just like this, you're gonna just pick them up. They're gonna squirm on you, but that's all right. And this is for when we take a photo and catch your own. But just like that.
Whoa, that's a pretty fish.
Yeah, this is a rainbow trout. Beautiful.
Yeah.
And then this is how we release them. We just put them in the water, and then they just run away. Okay? Hang on, we're stuck. You all right? You okay? Yeah. We're stuck here. Just remember, you got something overhead. So what I want you to do is flick it sideways and upstream, okay?
So like it's also like going far and water, just going up.
Yeah, you see that boulder right here underwater?
Yeah.
Try to hit just on the other side of that. Keep your rod tip a little bit lower so you don't get in those plants up above you. Flip. Is that a fish? Really? That's a fish. Becky, that's a fish.
Whoa, wait.
Here, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Put the rod tip over my head.
That's completely on accident.
Bring it this way more.
Oh shit, wait.
All right, drop down.
That was an accident.
You caught your fish, first fish. Look at you.
Hell yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, wait. Hands wet.
Yep.
Oh. Still on the line?
Should, nope,
Nope.
all gone.
Damn.
Get another one. I was like, that's a fish.
That was completely on accident.
That's all right. Still counts.
Yeah.
Look at you. Congratulations. All right, here you go. lift. Good. Seth, that's your fish. You got another one. That was real. Over here, over here. Over more. All right, just drop it and let it swing right into my net. Nice. Look at you.
Awesome. I am immensely heavy right now.
I love it. You're crushing it.
You're good spot.
Look at you. All right, you ready? Okay, get your hand nice and wet. I'm just gonna put your hand, we'll put the fish in your hand, okay?
Okay.
You literally cannot screw this up. Okay?
As long as I don't squeeze, it should be.
Oh. Okay, so I just changed my rig from a dry dropper to a triple nymph subsurface. Well, not triple nymph, I got a balanced leech on the bottom. Ouch. And then a flow torch, and then my very last fly is actually a dry fly. And I'm fishing wet. It just kind of looks like the caddis that I'm seeing. And that was like my second cast. That's good feedback. I'm giving it a little bit of a drag through the water. Just trying to make that, oh, that was a fish. Just trying to make that leech swim a little bit and keep my flies from sinking so fast. Took a little bit of effort to get to a spot where I could cast, but paid off. Bunch of fish over there. I'm gonna grab a few more. It's squirrel and leech thing. Leech a bugger or something, I don't know. I didn't tie it. The fish. Oh, that was a big old mess on that. Got him. Stop, 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 stop. Not sure I deserve that fish, but counts. That's a good rock. So, here are my thoughts. Creek is fishing really well. You know, they say a kind of guide definition of a technical fishery, which most people would say this is a fishery where you won't catch fish unless you're doing everything right. And I would say I am not doing everything right, and I'm actually kind of catching fish accidentally, just kind of hooking them randomly when I'm not really even trying. You can get away with a lot. You don't have to be super on it right now. You get your fly in the water in a decent spot where they're holding. You've got a good chance of hooking into a fish. They're not huge. Definitely smaller than they were when flows were higher for some reason. But there's more of them, so it's like quantity over quality. These fish are not being super selective. And they're eagerly eating. I had most of my luck today on a streamer, or like a squirrel tail leech, an olive dark green one with some red flash on it. 1000% positive it is not the only fly that would catch fish out here. I'm catching fish on other flies too. That's just the one I've had the most success on today. I will say there's a ton of stuff to snag on. This green vegetation is everywhere. It's really horrible. Poison oak is everywhere right now. Everywhere. Terrible. It's a great time to come out and give it a go and have some success. We wanted to take down some of the vegetation with a big knife. That would be appreciated, I'm sure. Definitely worth doing.